Hello everyone, it's Cine Select. So get your popcorn and let's get right into it. In this video, we will count down the top 15 best new TV series of 2025 so far. This year started off on an exciting note with shows becoming the biggest hits of 2025. These are some of the top new razor-sharp crime thriller, science fiction, explosive action and fantasy adventure shows that have come out this year. So let's examine which recent TV shows are worth your time and which ones have been the best so far. So let's start the video. Number 15. Chief of War. It is a historical drama series created by Thomas Bakavit and Jason Momoa for Apple TV+. Set in the late 18th century Hawaii, the story follows Kayana, played by Jason Momoa, a fierce warrior based on the true story of the historical figure who returns home after traveling abroad and embarks on a mission to unite the warring kingdoms of Hawaiian Island in order to protect his home from a new and devastating threat. As colonial threats loom, Kayana must choose between loyalty to his people and resistance against foreign domination. Told from an indigenous perspective, the series blends political intrigue, cultural heritage, and emotional depth with stunning visuals. Number 14. Ballad. It is a 2025 police procedural television series created by Michael Olmo and Kendall Sherwood based on the Renee Ballard novel series by Michael Connolly. The story centers on Detective Renee Ballard, played by Maggie Q, who is ousted from the robbery homicide division for whistleblowing, and she is given command of the LAPD's new underfunded cold case unit buried in the department's basement. She must rely on a team of volunteers to solve decades-old homicides while simultaneously uncovering a conspiracy that threatens the department. As Ballard reopens dusty files, she uncovers disturbing truths: corruption within the force, political pressure from city officials, and a chilling conspiracy that spans decades. Number 13. The Assassin. It is a crime thriller television series created by Harry and Jackie Williamson. The series follows a retired assassin living in a seclusion on a Greek island until she reunites with her estranged son Edward, who arrives searching for answers about his father. Their meeting is cut short when her dangerous past resurfaces and they are forced to flee together, leading them to uncover a dark conspiracy that threatens them both. As they dodge bullets and betrayal across continents, Edward's quest for truth clashes with Julia's instinct to protect. Number 12. Monster, the Edgwin Story. It is a biographical crime drama anthology series created by Ryan Murphy and Ian Brien for Netflix. The series explores the real-life story of Ed Gein, a Wisconsin hardware store owner and grave robber whose disturbing crimes in the 1950s revealed his obsession with his deceased mother, leading him to commit murder and create gruesome objects from human remains. The story culminates in the discovery of the mutilated body of shopkeeper in his home and the subsequent discovery of other body parts and artifacts made from human skin. Starring Charlie Hunnam as Gein, it explores his twisted connection to his mother, his spiral into insanity, and the unsettling cultural fallout from his deeds, fusing psychological dread with true crime drama. Number 11. House of David Season 2. It is a historical drama television series created by John Irwin from Amazon Prime Video. Season 2 begins immediately after David defeats of Goliath, chronicling the rise of commander of the Israelite army after his victory, navigating palace politics and a growing romance with Michal while his escalating fame fuels King Saul's paranoia and violent jealousy, ultimately forcing David to flee and live as an outlaw. The show explores themes of destiny, loyalty, and power, showing David's transition from a shepherd to a warrior. Number 10. The Librarians, the Next Chapter. It is a fantasy adventure television series that is the direct spin of the Librarian film series. The story follows Vikram Chamberlain, a time-traveling librarian from the past who becomes stranded in the present. When he returns to his former castle, which is now a museum, he accidentally releases magic across the continent. Assigned the responsibility to rectify the situation, he is given a new team of librarians to help contain the magical outbreak and find a way for him to return home. Number 9. Butterfly. It is a spy action thriller series directed by Kitao Sakurai. The show follows David Jung, an enigmatic, highly unpredictable former US intelligence operative living in South Korea, whose life is blown to pieces when the consequences of an impossible decision from his past come back to haunt him, and he finds himself pursued by Rebecca, a deadly sociopathic young agent assigned to kill him. Based on the Boom Studio comic novel, the series was created by Ken Woodruff and Steph Chow and combines intense spy action with a heartfelt narrative that explores identity, betrayal, and forgiveness. Number 8. Hotel Costeria. It is an action drama TV series created by Francesco Alrange and Elena Boccaccio, set against the backdrops of Amalfi Coast. The story revolves around Daniel Duca, a half-Italian former US Army officer who works as a mediator at the Levis Hotel Positano, where he skillfully manages the extravagant needs of a wealthy clients while setting out on perilous quest to locate Alice, the hotel manager's missing daughter. This series combines Mediterranean aesthetic and moody suspense with stunning action, sharp comedy, and the visual grandeur of legendary places, serving as the center of a mystery-filled drama rather than a real-world establishment. Number 7. Tulsa King Season 3.